All right, so today I'm gonna unbox the, let's focus real quick, the Rode Lavalier Go professional microphone. I already have the wireless one, which I'm actually talking on right now. But let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Let's see. All right. If I can go ahead and get it open. Okay, here we go. Oh, comes in a nice pouch there. That's pretty cool. And let's see what's in the pouch. We got one of those little things that make sure stuff is clean. Anything else in the box? No. We have, okay, the actual mic. Then we have what looks like the mic clip. Here's the clip for the microphone when it goes onto the shirt. Then you have the actual mic itself. Comes with a little warning label on it. Strangling hazard. This is the mic. Let's test it out real quick. All right, so this is the camera mic that's on the A6600 right now. This is what it sounds like. This is me, Jefferson Lewis. 1, 2, 3, 4, check mic, check it. Okay, this is the onboard microphone on the actual Rode wireless system. So this is what that sounds like. And then next we're gonna try out this mic right here. And this is a test with the Lavalier Rode Go professional microphone plugged in. So let's see what it sounds like in the editing room with all the mics put together and see which one we like better. I feel like this should be the best, but I'll find out in a moment. And of course, I'll let you be the judge because you already know because you just heard all three, so. Okay, cool. So after taking a look at the footage, I really like how this sounds. It is a much more deeper tone. I've used also professional mics in the past, like $650 Sonys and Sennheisers, and I'm really impressed with the audio quality of this wireless system. I mean, it's good. If you want to watch more unboxing videos, I'm going to make a playlist for them, so you can click that right here. And have a good day. Peace.